During the rush of harvest, every minute and every bushel counts. That's where a grain cart scale from Triple Star can make a real difference. With a typical accuracy of 0.5%, our grain cart scales allow in-the-field weighing of crops for maximum grain truckloads, checks on crop yields, and an easy way to calibrate yield monitors. Best of all, our scales can be retrofitted to fit your particular grain cart, even older models not designed for scales. Our typical retrofit kit includes 2 spindles and bushings, 1 hitch bar and bushing, 1 hitch tongue, 1 junction box and Libra Cart. The Libra Cart hardware connects to your grain cart's load cells and wirelessly communicates with the Libra Harvest app through Bluetooth. It automatically detects and records every unload from your grain cart without additional sensors, providing accurate, real-time harvest data on your tablet or smartphone, eliminating the need to press any buttons or write anything down. With the Serial Link add-on, you can view live grain cart weights from the Libra app, on our external scoreboard displays for enhanced functionality and visibility. Get your own grain cart scale today. Visit our website at www.triplestarmfg.ca or call 1-866-862-8304 to speak with a salesman.